Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring the mysterious Andromeda Galaxy and uncover what secrets lie beyond our own. In this video, you will uncover the mysteries of the Andromeda Galaxy, our closest galactic neighbor, and explore why it's so captivating to astronomers and enthusiasts alike. The Andromeda Galaxy is a vast and intricate celestial body that has captivated human imagination for centuries. Astronomers have long been fascinated by this galactic giant, but studying it is no easy feat. One of the biggest challenges is the sheer distance between us and the Andromeda Galaxy, a staggering 2.5 million light-years away. This immense distance makes it difficult for astronomers to gather accurate data using current technology. To put it into perspective, even at the speed of light, it would take a spacecraft over 2.5 million years to reach the Andromeda Galaxy. That's a long wait for some answers. Moreover, the signals we receive from Andromeda are extremely weak and can be easily distorted by interstellar gas and dust. This further complicates the process of gathering reliable data. Despite these challenges, astronomers have developed innovative techniques to overcome them. For instance, they use advanced telescopes and spectrographs to analyze the light spectrum emitted by Andromeda, providing valuable insights into its composition and properties. Astronomers have also employed clever methods to filter out noise and correct for distortions, allowing them to extract meaningful information from the weak signals received. In fact, one of the most significant breakthroughs in recent years has been the creation of detailed 3D models of the Andromeda Galaxy. These models have been constructed using extensive observations and sophisticated computer simulations, enabling researchers to study the galaxy's structure and evolution in unprecedented detail. The Andromeda Galaxy is a behemoth of a galaxy, spanning over 220,000 light-years in diameter. This makes it the largest member of the local group of galaxies, which also includes the Milky Way, Triangulum, and several smaller galaxies. Andromeda's massive size is supported by a vast network of stars, star clusters, and dark matter, all held together by gravitational forces. One of the most fascinating features of the Andromeda Galaxy is its striking similarity to our own Milky Way. Both galaxies have a similar spiral structure, with sweeping arms of stars and gas winding outward from a central bulge. They also share similar chemical compositions, with many of the same elements present in both galaxies. This similarity has led some scientists to speculate that the Andromeda Galaxy may have formed in a similar manner to our own. The Andromeda Galaxy is also home to a diverse range of celestial phenomena, including supernovae, black holes, and neutron stars. One of the most intriguing features is its central black hole, which is thought to have a mass of over 1.5 billion times that of our Sun. This supermassive black hole is surrounded by a swirling disk of hot, dense gas, which emits intense radiation as it spirals inward. Astronomers have made several groundbreaking discoveries about the Andromeda Galaxy, which have significant implications for our understanding of the universe. One of the most exciting findings is the possibility that Andromeda may be hosting life-supporting planets. The discovery of thousands of exoplanets in recent years has shown us that planets are common in the universe, and it's possible that some of these planets within Andromeda may have conditions similar to those of Earth. The Andromeda Galaxy is also set to collide with our own Milky Way in about 4.5 billion years. This cosmic collision will have a profound impact on the structure of our galaxy, potentially leading to the formation of new stars and planetary systems. The aftermath of this collision will also provide scientists with a unique opportunity to study the formation and evolution of galaxies up close. In summary, the Andromeda Galaxy is a captivating and complex celestial body that continues to fascinate astronomers and enthusiasts alike. From its vast size and intricate structure to its potential for hosting life and its future collision with the Milky Way, the Andromeda Galaxy is a true marvel of the universe. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the mysterious Andromeda Galaxy. Be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos on space exploration and cosmic phenomena.